25 Fitness. Let's talk meal prepping. Remember, like our video on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on push notifications so you know when our next workout posts. So we're gonna talk about just common meals, things that people like to make, and give you some ideas, inspire you so you know what you can do to meal prep and make it really quick and efficient. So something that a lot of our clients love are egg dishes. So this is a real simple one to make. You just take some peppers, onions, if you like tomatoes, spinach, broccoli, any vegetable basically in the fridge is fair game. You put it on the bottom of a baking pan, saute it, bake it about 350, and when the onions are slightly browning, you pour in an egg mixture. We have 6 eggs here, so 2 eggs per breakfast, and we mix it in with a little salsa and milk for consistency, and then we put some low-fat cheddar on top. And then what's great is if you cut it into thirds, that is 1 breakfast. And then we put it into this snap and go Tupperware. Here is 1/3. Voila, this is your breakfast. Lots of protein, really easy. You just put it in the microwave for, let's say, 45 seconds. And you can have this for 3 or 4 days if you meal prep successfully. So that's one idea. We're gonna skip past breakfast and go to some common snacks. So if you are not somebody who loves to eat a lot of meat for your snacks, you're more of a fruits and vegetables type person, what we do is we buy in excess a lot of walnuts or some low salt, no salt almonds. And then I divided the walnuts into servings, into these little snack bags. So there's about 7 walnuts in here. And then 1 small, either small apple, half of a medium apple, and then you pair these 2, and here's a little snack. And you can put some more apples in there if you feel like this is not sufficient, but let's not go beyond a medium-sized apple. Okay, so here's an idea for snack, and I made it for 3 to 4 days. Here we go, all ready to go. Let's talk another snack. So if you're somebody who loves to eat more raw vegetables, you can get some cut up carrots and celery. And then again, you put these all in these little snack bags. Okay, so we have our carrots and celery, and then something that's nice to pair it with is a turkey roll. So you can take a couple slices of turkey. Again, this is for a snack, and then maybe 1 piece of this ultra thin cheddar cheese. It's only 45 calories for 1 slice of cheese, which it makes, again, a fabulous snack. You get your protein and you get your veggies. So that's, again, another idea for a snack. And we'll talk about some other snacks for in the afternoon as well. Lunch. Lots of ideas for lunch, but something that works out really well, again, if you're trying to, do a massive cooking, is making a bunch of chicken breasts. So tonight we made some chicken breasts here. We sauteed it with some Italian seasoning, a little bit of olive oil, and then all that we do is in the morning, I'll take out 4 to 6 ounces of chicken and put it in a separate Tupperware. And then from here, we want something that's a lower glycemic starch, some vegetables. So some ideas for a lower glycemic means lower sugar level on the glycemic index is butternut squash. So we just went and put a bunch of butternut squash in the oven, cut them up, and then saute with a little salt, pepper, butter, maybe a little bit of cinnamon if you want something salty sweet. So we'll take our 4 to 6 ounces of chicken, take half a butternut squash, and then we need a vegetable. Here's some ideas for vegetables. You can make a salad mix, but don't mix it in with the lettuce. The lettuce will get really soggy. Put the lettuce in as you prepare it. So we put in a mixture of tomatoes, onions, celery, peppers, just trying to get you to think like of all different raw veggies that you can put in. Again, if you're gonna put in something that might get soggy, don't put it in initially, just put it in when you're actually creating the salad for that day's lunch or dinner. So again, we'll do the chicken, the butternut squash, and then a little side of salad. And you can use a red wine vinegar and a little bit of olive oil or a light vinaigrette dressing. If you're not someone who likes salad, then maybe you make a green vegetable and just store it in the Tupperware and then take a scoop as you're meal prepping for lunch or for your dinner or wherever you're taking your food to go. Or if you're working at home and you just want to have everything ready because you're in conference calls all day and just want to put it in the microwave, done. Let's talk mid-afternoon snack. So mid-afternoon snack, you can make it easy and do the same thing you did in the morning. Or if you want to vary it up, a really nice snack is Greek yogurt. So you get a non-fat Greek yogurt and you can mix it in maybe with some walnuts. So now we're repurposing these walnuts, maybe put in some apples, but just a little bit less. So let's do half a serving of the walnuts, half a serving of the apples and mix it in. You can also mix it with some berries. Or if you want to make this a salty snack, here's another idea. Take the Greek yogurt and mix it in with some ranch powder. Okay, and now you've got a very low fat, no fat ranch dressing and you can dip your raw vegetables in. Again, another way to meal prep, you just take one serving, put it in a container, and you have your mid-afternoon snack. Let's talk dinner. What are some great ideas for dinner? So you might say, hey, listen, I'm gonna make all this chicken and I'm just gonna eat it for lunch and dinner for the next 2 to 3 to 4 days, because then I'm gonna move on to a different protein. Or you might make 2 types of protein over the course of 3 to 4 days and kind of alternate between the 2. So maybe you make the chicken and then you make some ground turkey. And again, you go back and forth. And I don't have the ground turkey here, but just imagine we have another container of ground turkey. And always about 4 to 6 ounces, that's a good serving. And then you might say, okay, well for lunch, I'm gonna have the butternut squash, but for dinner, I want something a little heartier, or vice versa. So we made here, if you wanna get your pasta craving in, we have some cauliflower rice pasta. It's actually delicious. And we mixed it in with all of the vegetables that we used here in the salad. So we were able to buy the same vegetables and we use them one for the salad and then we repurpose them for this pasta. So we made them simultaneously, which was really easy with the meal prepping. We made this all tonight. So we're just showing you how efficient this can all be. And then we put in some tomato sauce, just straight tomato sauce. Look for something that's lower in sugar and lower in calories, okay? You're looking for about 45 calories per serving on that tomato sauce. So we mix this all in. And again, you can have this with the chicken, side salad. Here's your salad, take a scoop of salad, or some green vegetables, or if you're just really looking for something easy, well, we have our cut up celery and carrots, or whatever raw vegetables that you like. So now we have enough food here between the starches, the vegetables, the proteins, the fruits, the snacks for about 3 to 4 days. And then after that, you probably want to do a new meal prep because you don't want to be eating the same food 7 days after you've made it. And that concludes our how to meal prep fast and efficiently. Thank you again. We hope you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up and send us feedback. We want to hear from you. What do you want to see from our videos? Also check out our how to rev up your metabolism. We have that currently on YouTube. Remember, subscribe to our channel, click on push notifications, and check us out on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That's a wrap.